Hi, I'm here with Sumithra Ranganathan, the Global Head of Telecoms for Engineering and R&D Services at HCLTech. Sumi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Nick.
Excellent. And we're here at MWC. What are you looking forward to hearing and seeing this week?
MWC is always a must event for the telco leaders. So I'm here today. This is a very great opportunity for all the telecom leaders to come participate, unleash the new trends of technology in telecom industry. I am here for the same reason, to meet up with people, industry leaders, and I'm here with my team to showcase some of our great POCs, products, and services that we are unleashing towards the telecom technology.
Amazing. And we're going to talk about some of those trends. So just to start with, can you outline for us the challenges the telecom industry is facing, and then how generative AI specifically is helping telcos overcome those challenges?
Yeah, so in general, telecom has its own challenges in terms of infrastructure, basically, and many of the infrastructures moving from the erstwhile. So there's a need of infrastructure moving on from on-prem to the cloud. And that gives us a plethora of opportunity for the newer technologies to come in. And the other challenge that the telecom faces is a depth of skill set, which is more towards emerging technologies. So that way, GenAI becomes kind of panacea for all these things, I would say, right? GenAI is a technology where it unleashes and makes life easier for all of us. It's able to analyze data, provides optimized solutions, and analyze data for improved efficiency. So it's not a new tool per se, but it's a mode of adapting the ways of working for any industry. Need not be only telecom industry, but any other industry where the entire organization embracing a GenAI in multiple areas of implementation, say Copilot, right? It can take a particular process into a effective, optimized process where it improves its effectiveness, productivity, thereby reducing the total time of deliverable.
And it augments the human experience and enables non-technical people to embrace technology more.
Exactly. Not only that, it is able to be more creative in terms of, obviously it can draw, it can speak the natural language. For example, a 24/7 chatbot interface for the end customers in any industries. You feel like, the human interface doesn't change, but it's completely done by a AI chatbot. So it's an exhilarating experience. People don't even know that you're talking to a chatbot, and it gives that kind of a human interface seamless.
And beyond GenAI, what are the other trends that are going to shape the telecom industry over the next decade?
Of course, 5G is there now. I think more 5G, enhanced 5Gs in terms of moving on to a local 5G into a private 5G, where it improvises the security for a particular enterprise. The other important things is like cloud automation has been there, on-prem to cloud transformation. It's not a new thing, but in future, the cloud manifests itself into a lot of edge computing, where to increase the latency and great service providers use that in their edge for their end users to have a very seamless access to the overall internet working.
And it feels like we're just scratching the surface of 5G, but obviously in the next decades, up to 2030, 6G is going to emerge. So can you talk about that?
Of course. 5G has a 1G capability with lower latencies. Of course, it's something which is expanding the network accessibility to everyone. 6G goes up to even 100 Gbps. So that's a great boon for all of us who are, nowadays we have all this Netflix of the world, prime videos of the world, where data is core and the capacity which is required by the entire world end user is a mammoth, a requirement. So that way, 6G is going to help us a lot in terms of greater bandwidth, lower latency, and a fantastic, user experience for the industry.
Great. And you mentioned skill sets at the beginning. How important is diversity of skills when it comes to driving innovation at scale in the telecom industry?
See, telecom industry thrives on dynamic change in terms of, each technology taking over the other, right? We started off with normal on-prem systems, moving on to cloud to 5G, 5G to 6G now, all within a matter of 1 or 2 years. So it's very inevitable for people and resources and the leaders and the SMEs working in these areas to skill up, right? So that's the main thing. And every organization should be, understanding this adaptability need and training their workforce in these areas, especially on cloud computing is one area which gives a lot of opportunities. Then it comes to the network security, because as and when we have more data, more speed, more deployments, security becomes the imminent need. And largely in terms of trying to automate network automation and optimization solutions, where data analytics plays a very important role. So though with all these skills being very imminent, I think GenAI will be a great effective tool where when there are LLMs which do a lot of things like Copilot or any other LLMs that we use, there are private LLMs, there are public LLMs which are available from all the service providers like the Azure or the AWS or multiple things, including HCLTech having our own Copilot stuffs, right? Similar to Copilot stuff. What is need of the hour is to skill up our workforce to be able to work with GenAI effectively. GenAI is no more special tool that we need to learn. It will be a way of working for us to work along with GenAI to improve our productivity and give better results and quality and repeatable expediting the product lifecycle management in a better way. So that way, GenAI is going to become a horizontal for all these skill sets to be deployed and contributing to the telecom.
And help improve the skill set, the skill sets and the diversity of skills.
Yeah.
Sumi, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Dick. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.